Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be just picking up the house, making at least the living room and the kitchen presentable, I guess I would say. And then after I get done cleaning these two spaces, I will start decorating for fall. And of course, I can't do a cleaning video without vacuuming like I always do.
If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace.
And this is one of the spots in our home that is a catch-all for all of us. Right when we walk in the door, it's just, I guess, easier for all of us to just put things on this bench right here. So it seems like I'm always picking up this area and vacuuming it because obviously it's our main area we walk into the house with. And in the kitchen, there's always dishes to be put away. It's just one of those never-ending dishes and laundry.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
Guys, I got lucky enough to get this bottle of Lysol counter multi-surface cleaner, whatever you want to call it, and it's in the lemon scent, and it smells amazing. I love the way it makes my whole kitchen and house smell, and I got so excited whenever I was able to pick up a few of these.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Alright, and this is another spot in our house that is a catch-all. I really need to figure out a better system because having two catch-alls in our house makes it seem pretty dirty whenever you first walk in. So it just seems like I'm always picking up these two spaces.
Let's make the most of this night. Come on, baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't want to do. We can sleep under the stars or hang out in hotel bars.
and this is the last thing I will be doing before I get all of the new fall decor that I purchased. I will be bringing y'all to the living room and sorting through, just figuring out where I want to put these things. Like I said in my last video, I don't really decorate for fall, even though it's my favorite time of year. So this year I decided I would buy a few items and just decorate my home a little bit.
We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars. Baby, while we're
And the three main places that I went and picked up some items from is Walmart, the Dollar General, and the Dollar Tree. And I feel like I got a good bit of things.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
I got this table runner here at the Dollar General for only $5, and it is beautiful. I would say it is my favorite table runner that I have.
I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
Okay, and the only thing I feel like I need to do is purchase like a little stand to put the candle or the pumpkin on, so it's all different heights, because right now the candle and the pumpkin are about the same, and I think it throws it off a little bit.
I feel about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same.
And since this one sign is smaller than I guess, not that I thought it was gonna be, but for the space, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would look. So I'm having to lower the nail just a little bit. But other than that, I feel like this space turned out pretty good.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really
everything right here I purchased at the Dollar Tree. So everything was only $1 each. So I would say I spent about $5 for this little piece, and it definitely brought a pop of color and fall to this space, and I love it.
Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you.
And I purchased all these little hand towels and the oven mitt and holder thing at the Dollar General.
Feels like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway.
And again, in this little space right here on my end table, I am just using kind of the same things I used in the other space with Dollar Tree items. The only thing different is these flowers are more of a tan, so just not as colorful.
Be with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
I don't like being on my own. I could use someone to hold. And I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. Cause I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. You said you had to go away just to figure out who you are. And I'm in this empty house with your pictures on my wall. But I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. Just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do. It's hopeless to be holding on to you.
This is probably one of my favorite spots that I decorated this year. It's just right when you walk in the door. It's the first spot you see, and it's just super cozy and warm, especially when I have the candles lit. It's perfect.
I've tried to let you go. Memories, they tend to stay. Doesn't matter anyway, cause it won't be you and me. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do.
This spot right here was probably the hardest spot for me to decorate. I think it was just because trying to figure out what to do with the leaves and get them situated in such a small space, but it turned out pretty good, and I put a candle there, so it makes it pretty warm and cozy as well.
I can do, it's hopeless to be holding on to you. Hopeless.
And right here, I am just going to be adding a little throw blanket I found at Walmart to just tie in fall in the living room.
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see.
And just for outside, I just added this cute welcome sign, and then I just need to find a hook to hang this. But thank you guys so much for watching.